Hello, how are you doing, guys? Hope you're all okay. So today is the hottest day of the year here in London, and it is actually scorching hot right now. So it's 36 degrees, which is really a lot here. And so I thought, well, I'll go out and take more pictures in harsh light, because the previous video went really well, and so thanks for that. And I thought I'll do a second episode. And so now I'm going towards the Barbican. Gonna start from there, take a few pictures there, and then move towards central London and see how that goes. So I have my X-T4 here with the 23mm, which is a combo I'm really liking now. Should probably buy the X100V actually, because it's the same combo. Bye. Good morning.
Hello, good morning.
You okay?
Yes, thank you.
Have a good day.
And you too.
Should be nice to your neighbors. Although it's not really my neighborhood, but it's close enough. So yeah, I'll take the bus going to the Barbican and then see how it goes there. And I'm gonna try something new as well, because I've been a bit disappointed with the stabilization of the X-T4, and the GoPro is too distorted for my taste. So I'm going to try to record all the POV on the iPhone 11 Pro, which is the phone that I'm using right now to record this. And I hope it's gonna go well. I mean, the stabilization looks better than the X-T4 anyway, and it might be that I'm doing something wrong with the X-T4. I need to investigate that. So I'm gonna go to the Fujifilm store and see what they say. But yeah, so I'm trying now this new thing with the iPhone 11 Pro. So I'm gonna vlog and do the POV with the iPhone 11 Pro. And there may be some jump cuts because I'm not used to it, and I hope the photo will come out okay. Because I'm gonna put the iPhone in between myself and the camera when I shoot. But hey, it might work a treat, I don't know. Let's see. Let's go and try. Okay, so the iPhone 11 Pro seems to work quite well, but I'm missing a few recordings because I see a shot and then I take the camera and take the picture, and I don't have the time to put the iPhone in front of the camera before I shoot the picture. But other than that, yeah, it seems to work pretty well. Yeah, I think I can work with this. And here I met James, who actually brought the weather from Manchester here to London. Thank you, James.